Wemwega. Hello. Getago Mwarimu Wabui. My name is Teacher Wabui or Mwarimu Wabui. Mwarimu is teacher. This is simple Kikuyu lessons. And in today's episode, we'll be looking at numbers. And numbers in Kikuyu is dari, dari, dari. If you have watched our previous videos, you've noticed that dari has N, but the N is silent. So we'll be doing number 1 to 10 in this episode, and in the next episode, we'll be looking at counting in hands. Our counters today, we're using apples so that it can help us as we solidify, as we learn and solidify our knowledge on counting numbers in Kikuyu. So number 1, emwe, 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 shokera. Oh, and by the way, if you've watched our previous episode, our buzzword is shokera, which means repeat. Igere, igere, igere. 2. Igere, shokera. Good. Idato, 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 shokera. Good. That is 3. Idato. Iña, 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 shokera. 4. Iña. Idano, idano, idano. 5. Idano, shokera. Good. Idadato, idadato. We'll break these because it has so many letters in it. Idato. And if you can see the O here, if you watched a vowels video and an alphabet video, you remember the O here with the squiggly sounds O. Idadato 6. Shokera. Good. Mogwaja, mogwaja, mogwaja. Shokera. Good. Mogwaja 7. Inyanya, 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 inyanya. Shokera. Good. Keda, keda, keda 9. Keda. Shokera. Good. Ikomi, 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 ikomi. Shokera. Good. So today we'll be doing 1 to 10, and we've done 1 to 10, and as usual, numbers will help you. If, for example, you want to give up your phone number, or you want to count, or you want to count money, or anything, this is very helpful. Thank you so much for watching Simple Kikuyu Lessons. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye!